In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfreeze your 1688 account. If you suddenly can't access your 1688 account, it usually comes down to a verification issue or incomplete account linkage. Here's a clear path to get back in. Start on 1688.com and try signing in as you normally would. When the login blocks you, look for prompts like verify identity, security verification, or unfreeze account. Follow what appears on screen carefully, confirm the mobile number on the account, enter the SMS code you receive, and complete any CAPTCHA or image challenge. Take your time with these. A typo in the code or a mismatched phone number will cause the process to loop. If you never see a verification flow, don't worry, we'll go deeper. A major fix is linking and verifying with Alipay. From your 1688 dashboard, go to Account Settings, sometimes labeled Zhenghu Sheju or Zhenghao Sheju. Then open My Verification, which may appear as Wo de Renzheng. Choose Verify Now or Link to Alipay. You'll be prompted to sign in to Alipay and complete identity authentication. This step aligns your identities across platforms and is one of the most reliable ways to restore access. It also strengthens account security, which can prevent future freezes. If you still can't get through, do a quick environment reset. Clear your browser cache, remove cookies, and try again. Switch to a different browser or device and test both the desktop site and the mobile app. This won't directly unfreeze the account, but it often makes hidden verification prompts appear so you can complete them. When self-service isn't enough, contact 1688 customer support through the Help Center. After signing in or from the blocked screen, open Help, use the live chat, or submit a ticket. Describe the problem clearly, include your 1688 ID, and attach screenshots of error messages. Mention the verification steps you already tried. Be prepared to complete additional checks. Support may request phone verification, identity verification through Alipay, or a passport, and sometimes photos of your ID or a short handwritten statement. Support is primarily Mandarin speaking, so concise, clear details and screenshots can speed things up. If the freeze seems tied to your broader Alibaba Group identity, try logging into related services such as Alipay or Taobao with the same account. If those platforms prompt verification, complete it there. Once unblocked, that status can propagate back to 1688 and restore your access. Work through these in order, and you should see progress. Keep your device, phone, and ID handy so you can verify quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your 1688 account unfrozen.